I don't tire yourself. This wetin be this. I don't tire. If you want kill us, make you kill us. Kill us, make we rest. Just kill us, make we rest.
Very stupid boy. What is kill us? What is us? Me and you us. Naminak. Naminak. See, mommy ghost. No be me nako. No be me knack. I don't knack. Me if I tell you this, ever since the knacking I knack, I don't even remember the game. Please, it's not us. Me, I'm innocent. Please kill him. Buy him.
Which kind of talk is that one? Which kind of nonsense talk is that one?
What is it?
What is this now?
Wait,
are we talking about who knack? Who tell you say the last game where you knack you cannot remember?
I don't know.
Which kind of lie be that? What? How can you be lying to a ghost like that? Are you okay?
Ghost, am I lying to you?
What's that? What is it?